Minor Discourse Diary Entry from Unit 2. Oliver asks for more. Hello children, welcome to the class. I am MVV Swarnalata, School Assistant English, working in ZPHS Girls Ibrahimpatnam. Today we will discuss and learn about the importance of diary entry and also how to make diary entry under creative writing. It is a minor discourse. In our daily life, we will be facing many situations and events which we feel like sharing with someone. There are some feelings and emotions which we cannot even share with our family members or friends. Then comes to our mind is diary, in which we will pen down all our feelings and emotions. Before going into the details, let's have a glance on how to spell the word diary. D-I-A-R-Y, diary. This is the spelling. You must be aware of this spelling. Generally, we will get confused with the spelling dairy, D-A-I-R-Y. Okay, let's start the discussion. Let us know what a diary is. A diary is a daily written record of personal experiences, observations, or events. It is a record of personal daily routine. It is also a personal way of expressing one's own feelings, reflections of a person or of an object or an event. All these emotions and experiences are conveyed through heart and brain but not mechanically. A diary resembles a message which is also a minor discourse. How to write a diary entry? Whenever we are writing or whenever we are making a diary entry, we should have a clear idea of what we are going to write. For this, we have to follow some steps. First one comes the following the format. Next one is write only important things in the diary. Do not write unimportant things because the diary will lose its importance. Always write in the diary that something important, outstanding, extraordinary, emotional things that happened on that day. Always use short sentences as it is easy to understand and remember. We have to use simple language and avoid usage of abstract words. The style of writing should be clear and easily understandable. Always write in first person only, that is I, we, me, etc. And also we should write the diary from writer's point of view. Always give a hopeful ending on positive note that something is going to happen better in the future. And the last one is diary entry should be made at the end of the day. What to include in a diary entry? We should include in a diary our feelings, experiences of that day, our hopes, fears, joy, sorrows related to a particular event. We can also add images that expresses the moods like happiness. You can use the emoji or the images related to happiness, sad, anger, etc. Important parts are main features of a diary entry. There are 5 important parts that we should remember while writing a diary. The first one is date, day and time. Sometimes you may add even the place also. Second one, heading or title or theme. It is optional. You may write or you may omit it also. Third one comes the salutation, addressing. Fourth one is the body of the diary. Last one comes signature or name, otherwise name of the character. Each one carries one mark. So these are the 5 important salient features of a diary entry. Children, now let us have the clarity about the format of the diary entry. First, you have to draw a box or outline for the diary entry. On the top of the outline, you have to write in capital letters diary entry. Then coming to the first one, date, day and time. Always remember that when you are writing date, write the date in standard format, that is 15th September 2020. You should not write 15-9-2020. Then day, write the name of the day. Time, always write time in PM. Never ever use AM because we will be writing the diary at the end of the day. Coming to the heading, as I told you, it's an optional. So what you have to take as heading, the complete essence or the theme of the topic or the event, you should take it as heading. Okay, you can add or you can omit it also, it's optional. Then coming to the salutation, you have to address the diary as dear diary because you are recording all your personal events. That's why it's better if you address it as dear diary. Then coming to the body of the diary, this is the most important part of the diary. You have to write it in a paragraph manner. Always start with useful expressions like today is an awesome day, today is a great day, today is a bad day, it's an exciting day, like that. Okay, and then you have to write the main concept, then end the main body with a hopeful ending. Okay, that's something is going to happen better in future. Then the last one is the signature or name of the character. So whatever character is there in the topic, that character you have to write the name of the character. See, date, day, time should be at the left top corner of the page. Then heading should be slightly below the date, day and time. Salutation should be to the left side and body of the diary should be in the center of the page and signature or name of the character should be at the right bottom corner of the page. Hope you clearly understood the format of the diary entry. Now let us see one model diary entry from page number 24 under writing section. Anne Frank was a little girl of 13. She was as lonely as Oliver Twist. When the German army invaded her country, she had to hide in a small building with her family. She suffered a lot. She recorded her feelings and thoughts in her diary. Friday, 1st October 1942. Just for fun, I am going to tell you each person's first wish. When we are allowed to go out again, Mrs. Swan says, if I go out, I'll eat cream cakes. Dussel says, if I am let free, I'll run to see my wife Ludge. Mummy says, I will have a cup of coffee. Peter says, I will go to the cinema. I long for so many things, but I long for a home of our own. So, this is the way Anne Frank entered her feelings in the form of a diary. Students, shall we give a try to write a diary entry, keeping in view of the discussed points and following the format? The question is from page number 24. I'll read the question for you. After facing the live board, Oliver returned to his bed crying. He sat up to write his diary. Now, imagine you are Oliver Twist. Write a diary entry with the above features in mind. Diary entry 15th September 2020, Tuesday, 9 p.m. Dear Diary, today was a bad day for me. Mr. Bumble took me to a large whitewashed room as I was asked to appear before the live board. I was scared and frightened at the sight of so many gentlemen sitting in the room. They asked me my name and then asked me if I knew that I was an orphan. I couldn't stop my tears as the questions asked by the gentlemen had hurt me more than the pain of caning by beadle on my back. As a punishment, I was ordered to collect oakum. This also hurts me a lot. I hope God will help me to come out of this humiliation and praying for happy days to come in my life. Oliver Twist. Hope you clearly understood how to write a diary entry. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. I am Swarnalata taking leave from you.